Well, Cedar Creek is a company that's based on taking bio-origin products and waste streams and converting them into commercialized products for applications. We're focused primarily on offering low-cost, high-volume alternatives that replace non-organic or non-bio-origin products in applications such as resins that are manufactured from petroleum. What we're going to be looking at today is one of our products, which is called ArboMass. ArboMass is derived from a waste stream of plant material post-production from making another product. And that waste stream is highly enriched in lignin, and it is non-sulfonated and has very low contaminant, and is available in abundant quantities at a very reasonable cost. Lignin is the second most abundant polymer on Earth after cellulose. You can look at every plant on Earth as being a potential polymer source.
Today what we're making is a urethane foam. To make a urethane, you need generically an isocyanate and a polyol. Our ArboMass lignin can act as a polyol for not only urethane resins, but also epoxies and polyesters. So what we're going to do today is actually mix liquid polyol and lignin with an isocyanate using water as a foaming agent. Those will react over the course of 10 minutes, foam out, fill up the cup, and eventually harden to a rigid, solid plastic. It effectively restores a more natural carbon cycle in the earth because we're not keeping carbon locked up below the ground and then burning it, turning it to CO2. We're taking that carbon and instead of burning it, occupying it in useful products and polymers that have a long-term use and will in time break down and return to the earth. But this is a urethane foam with our lignin. You can see it's got a pretty consistent cell structure. This is about 7 pounds per cubic foot for the density. Using Cedar Creek's lignin polyol for urethanes has a couple different advantages. One mainly being cost, because we're displacing petroleum and it requires much less energy to generate our material. Lignin not only has the potential to offer better thermal insulative properties because of its phenolic aromatic nature, but also confer better flammability resistance. So it'll definitely add stiffness to the foam. And of course, because our lignin polyol is bio-based, it would meet ASTM D6866 for bio-based content. Lignin polyol from Cedar Creek would also be applicable in a drop-in replacement to any foam-in-place packaging application. Because of its light density and the ability to get to a low density, it doesn't really add any weight to the packaging or shipping cost, but adds value because of its added strength and rigidity and perhaps better energy absorption.
We're looking for customers, potential partners to help further develop the technology, to come and share their interest in what we're doing and get a deeper dive into what Cedar Creek is doing and the products and how this lignin may be used in various applications for those particular partners or customers or suppliers. We believe that ultimately we can purify this lignin to the extent that it can be turned into carbon fibers. They're lighter, they're stronger, they're fibrous, they're very flexible to manufacture with. This would be a natural-based carbon fiber source, as an example. So 10 years from now, we would expect that our ArboMass, in some derivative form, is being turned into carbon fiber.